How to hide or unhide activity status on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your REDnote application. Then tap on your profile icon. Now go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy Settings. Here, in this interaction section, you will see activity status as a second option. Tap on it. Now, in order to hide your activity status, simply tap on this off close activity status option. If you want your friends to see your activity status, select friends. If you want your activity status to be public, select public. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.